National Testing Agency NTA kadang pan Kaiphod nak Sorkar Jylla Halor ke Jingud bakadon ke Jingbakla hakapor penlong ya ke exam NEET ha Jowai ban Nongpoh. Ya kani layathu deki Samla bayale ya ke exam NEET hadian bakilawan kendu ya menteri ketenat puli puthi urakam isangma. Habakran sekilar pathai Khubor usamla nang bahasu ciang ulayathu akhmat ki Samla puli menteri ketenat puli urakam isangma ulapun cu director ke NTA ban pan jing pensyai Halor ka Jingud baki dan ki Jingbakla hakapor penlong ya ke exam NEET ha Jowai West Giant Hills ban Nongpoh Ribhoi district. Ngi pensngawi ki jing abangi kendo hakasngi long ya ki examen NEET bat menteri ketenat puli ula shimkhia Halor kani bat yamenta director ke NTA ula pan ni ka Kaiphod nak Sorkar Jylla shwa ban shim ka rai laong usamla nang bha. Usamla nang bha ulay thu bah hakasngi penlong ya ke examen NEET kinong penia ya ki examen kila sam artli ki kot Jingkylli kata ka MNOP bat QRST. Ulay thu ningkong ki bor khmi ya ke exam kila batha ya ki Samla ban tho da ka kot Jingkylli MNOP hendrai hadian kumba sau po minute balayat ke examen ki bor peniat kiraya thu baka kot Jingkylli ka bakala bat ka badai ka deka QRST. Kani kelapan kulmar kli yangi namar ngila pelut por hadu sau po minute ban tho ya ke exam da ka Jingkylli MNOP. Namar kani ngi kerpad ya menteri ketenat puli puthi banyakran bat ka NTA ban penlong biang ya ke examen NEET ulaong.
From Jowai.
Daddy, you.
Yeah, I texted you before. You were in Bangla.
I just.
Elephant was there to block the bridge, I see.
Done, no?
This is it. Because I've already sent in WhatsApp.
Anything.
Yeah, give it. No? Give it. Night.
We are nice. Some new. New.
Night. Oh. So we had about the memorandum. And the figure. These are the students.
Okay. Take it, fine. Okay. Take this one. Take this.
Naliang kasing matasi kamtam ke JSU rangkat bagi porlok ke KSU. Nadu kasin benengkong haga ndru trek ubenai me. Kata kasin nengkong hadin ke exam ke ba dikena Nongpoh Jowai Center. Kemudian kumbas hospangut ki batho ke exam. Hak tigasni ba Nongpoh ke kumbahan trupusan yo pongut. Tingilap bagi ki pesngau si ke jing ke jongki ke long jing le thurmur jongka te ke Jowai Center ba ke Nongpoh Center. Tega pensusi sibun habang itep tinggalit beran-beran cepo ketika jaka setiga Saint Mary's Masorlu tingilap ba kadai hi ke Jingbakla hi naki ni ki invigilators ke bagilap pa arli ki question papers bagi atam kena apo lagan tashteng handrai bensim ke decision bahdi kena ki kli kai question paper kin datam ke simpor ki ar 4 minute bensim ke decision naliang administrative naliang ki bakanda ke exam ta hadim kla tho sapo minute ki ya kata question paper ki simno ke madatam no ta ko ipat ke code number jong question paper kata kadai ke MNOP ke wei ba kadai ke QRST bagi dia borok ke peni baga ko punya ke exam bola kan tas teng nem tak di exam kala fail lupa haga first place haga sin kata ga haga jing sedang ke jongka apa kata kala kan tas teng te gabar ba kolong bagi kena hadin bagi pet hadin gadap ke exam ki sempat baga admit card jong ki jing sha day ban submit no ke arli ki pages na bo ga admit card ban submit chaka asaki de ki ba pet ba kami invigilators hapo ba pet hapo classroom ga tar ki pediang ke admit card kumpade guidelines jong ka NTA tekni borok bensusi kena dan notu pergi kena ki sember lab ba all over India ki tho da ke code number jong question paper ga QRST kumbagi tho mentan dan rei hapo Jowai Center Nongpoh ki 2 sets of question paper praset ki question paper kata ga dai MNOP but QRST tekni borok ka pendi long ka pen bakla lu ki kena ka bakalong discourage ki khamtam ki tibula atam akibatam ka si menengkong begini ki batam license housing kana penduk mensim syuk nomor borok we ka ke re-India ki biang ngom penyai ke exam han repat hagi ari ki center hapo state ke jongi ke longba kalong thurmur do kata te ngi pan leng seng hari mitep tinggal pha ti beran shau education minister ngila pentep lang shau chief minister ko jo hoi ki lasim khian leng state han repat ki basusi ke longba ngi shutep kata ke khubor ke longba ke NTA ko tho ka conduct exam hani claim do yo bor le film de pentep ya ke state government hoi ngi sutu ke central agency ke ba conduct exam banom don ke interference ke state han rei nga so bonong pat shau benjit ki center ban tho exam ke pentep ke state benjit ke balong paka bar ki balong well trained invigilators dan yang sengi mata sing like keren badu minister in charge of education rakam sangma tingila keren kolong bangi pressure benjit ke sentai ke bobiang ka bahar kolong ba kini ki kena sans pangut kalau we jong ki ngem tep se kan point la ja kumne bar kin kolong du mensim haga jing long turmur kolong tho ke ni exam Amar kumboong ra dili lupa so 4 minute kim yo panatam baru ars pak tigi question ke max la do lupa tukumtan leng sengi ni dawa naga Sorkar dim petskau ke NTA kalong bakla fil pa di exam ha arli center but day dadala but long bala ni dawa kalong ban reconduct ya ke exam ha arli center baka syong pat ha ke wisdom ke jing penyat ini ke jing kenap long ke rai ke bakado ke NTA ke de ban penyat ke exam de ke bahag komet ha postit jungi but ban reconduct exam na margi kena ya kwit lenti ban yo ban atem sa sisin ya kum ke di exam bagi yo lat ban puli doktor
Minister, so ula the keren but uni director jong ke NTA. So after talking with the director of the NTA, then now the director is asking for the ground report from the state government, and we have already voiced our issue to our education minister, and the education minister have talked with the director NTA. So now what we are waiting for is an official statement from NTA after, and NTA will get the ground report from the state government. And we students right now, particularly we want a re-examination for our particular center, which is in Nongpoh and in Jowai, and if possible we want to no, it's not just about possibility, see, because many of us have already spent many years here preparing for this exam, and many students have already spent so much resources on preparing for this exam. They went to Akash, they went to coaching academies, and so many of us hopeful students from West Jainta Hills and from Ribhoi district, we are hopeful about this exam. But then after writing the exam, we know that even the question paper, it's not written all over India, the question paper that we wrote. So after talking with the education minister, he said he'll see into it. So as we students from the West Jainta Hills and from Ribhoi district, we want a re-examination for our particular center, or they can give a re-examination for the whole state, but that we cannot decide. So that is the NT will decide about that. It's up to their wisdom to see how do conduct the exam. But we want a re-examination. We don't want our year to be spoiled.
Well, what was the actual problem in this?
Yes, the actual problem was that when we started our exam, we were given 2 sets of question paper at the same time. And while they gave the question paper, we were supposed to attend only one. So we asked them, and the question code was, it has 8 sets of question code, which was MNOP and QRST. And most of us students in Jaintia, we were asked to attend the question paper code, which was of MNOP. After attending the question of MNOP, after 40 minutes into the question, they ask us to attend QRST. And now most of the students are confused. How could we attend 2 sets of question paper at the same time? In one question code, there are 200 questions, and they are giving us 2 question sets, and that would be a total of 400 questions. And they ask us to write 400 questions. How could we do that for an exam of 3 hours and 20 minutes, right?
Well, has the minister assured you for re-examination or something?
No, he's looking into that. He's waiting for, after sending the ground report to the director of NTA, the NTA will give an official examination. So then we'll know how after getting an official report from them, we'll know what is going, how we'll get a response from them. It depends from the NTA now.
Your name?
My name is Nongpoh. I'm a Neet candidate.
I think I face the same as them. Yeah.
Okay. And is this your first attempt? Earlier also you sat for Neet exam?
Yes, I did.
Was this problem there earlier also?
No, never happened like this. It was the first time.
Your name?
Duki Finance Chiang.
Problem in Neet examination.
Yeah, our problem was the same. Like we received like 2 different sets of question paper, and we were asked to attempt only one. like after 30 minutes or 40 minutes, they ask us to attempt the code MNOP, and then they ask us to set aside the QRST, which we were supposed to attempt.
Well, if in case the NTA don't go for re-examination, so what will be your next step?
I don't know. We were still waiting for an official notice from NTA, so I don't know about that.
So will you file any formal complaint or something, or will you move to court or anything in this regard?
We haven't thought anything about that.
Your name?
Dear gracious Kampan.
I'm represent from Riboy district as one of the parents, which of course these are the aspirant youths. So even me also have met the minister, R.A. Sangma, regarding this main issue that affected committed on the 5th of this month. So it seems that this may be the carelessness of the NTA from the center, because as what is happened in Jowai and in Nongpoh, the same cases have happened. 2 set of question paper and answer type they have provided to them and distributed all among the candidate. So in this matter, we look for this matter that this kind of a big issue we can say that is not happening. If you see distribute this kind of 2 set of paper, it will be a problem for the students who is a candidate, and if it is distributed for the 2 type of question at the same time, you cannot complete within a time. So we look forward for the better of tomorrow, and we'll decide whatever we can do from our side. Aspirant youth will be the future of our general and the society as a whole.
This is the first time that such thing has happened, right?
Yeah. I think even in Nongpoh and in Jingkylli, Jowai, this is the first time and it is the first center.
Your name?
Lostar Kemenlang Nongsli.
Okay, and you are?
I'm a teacher.